If you've been looking for a luxury home in Big Bear Lake, I might have the perfect one for you. Hi, I'm Rachael Smith with RE/MAX in Big Bear, and today we're going to be taking a look at 1635 Shenandoah over in Meadowbrook Estates in Big Bear Lake. And this one is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, just over 2,900 square foot, and it is a beautiful luxury mountain modern home on an acre of land. Meadowbrook Estates is home to vacation rentals, second homes, and primary homeowners. You are about a 10-minute drive to Snow Summit, although you get these beautiful mountain views of Sugarloaf Mountain. You are about an 8-minute drive to Big Bear Lake and just like a 5-minute drive to the grocery stores. So here on our 1 acre of land, we do have it fully fenced with a beautiful wood split rail fence. You have endless opportunities. You could actually build an ADU over here. You could also divide the property into 2 separate parcels, or you could just enjoy the whole thing yourself. Desert landscaped out here. So this is kind of the easiest thing that we do up here is just decorate it in rock. Here we have a great driveway, holds up to 6 cars, also a 2-car garage. And then outside, as you can see with this mountain modern look, they have beautiful log siding, also stacked stone rock on the bottom portion of the house. Beautiful overbuilt deck with a grandiose entrance. Decks have just recently been refinished. They are beautiful redwood decking. Okay, so over here we've got seating on the side. Sit out and listen to the birds, have your morning coffee. We do have a security system. It is a covered porch on this side as well as this side, and we have a nice electronic doorbell. Let's take a look. As you enter, you have a nice hall closet for shoes, storage, all your winter and summer toys that you might acquire while you're living in the mountains. Okay, so stepping into the living room, we've got a nice cozy area for seating. We do have an electronic fireplace. We have beautiful, all throughout the home, vaulted tongue and groove ceiling. The furniture can come with the sale of the property. So beautiful stone fireplace, electronic starter on there, seats about 7 people. Next, we're going to go over to the family room. So this you could keep as a family room, or on the original construction of the house, they were going to make it a 4th bedroom. So coming over into the inside, we've also got a brand new freestanding wood stove for your cold nights in Big Bear. And again, the furniture can be included. So we have beautiful lighting in here, large windows just looking out at nature, but this is also kind of the hangout space back here. Nice recessed lighting. Also, we have installed a sprinkler system. And the way that they have it set up, we've got an office area right here. And then amongst the whole open floor plan, we do have the dining room that seats 8. Could be a little bit larger if you'd like, but also the antlered chandelier, as well as access to the backyard and the kitchen. So in the kitchen, we have beautiful granite, white and gold countertops, a very large island, nice pendant lighting. On this side, we also have a wine fridge, beautiful hardwood with knotty pine cabinets with the slow close feature. Here's our microwave. All of our appliances are KitchenAid stainless steel appliances, but tons of storage for if you're gonna live here full time or if you're gonna use it as a rental. We do have a glass subway tile in the back, along with that same matching granite countertop, with a gorgeous view out back from your kitchen sink. And then this side of the kitchen, We've got, again, granite chef's appliances. Everything that you would need to make it move-in ready. And a fully stocked fridge. And this is a real treat because you have a walk-in pantry that is larger than some of the closets that I see in a lot of homes. So check out the beautiful built-in customizable pantry space. So off the family room, we have the garage. It is finished off. It is insulated. It has the concrete foundation. You could have your own workshop, as you can see. Lots of storage that is built in. You even have connection to be able to put a TV out here if you want it to be a man cave. We've also got built-in racks up top for your stuff you don't plan on using, Christmas trees for a while, things like that. Storage for all your yard tools. Oh yeah, your electrical panel for your solar is right here. And then this is going to be your system right here for the sprinkler system. This does have a remote garage door opener. So if you're down the hill and you need a package delivered, you can pop your garage door open really quick for them. Or if you left and you forgot your garage was opened, you can close it from remotely. And this is one of the most important features, the tankless hot water heater. So you'll have endless hot water heater. You'll have endless hot water. But it's a great place for you to store all your toys that you are going to acquire once you move up here. Let's head down the hallway to the bedrooms. So the first is the half bath. It does have automatic sensored lighting. It does have the same quartz countertops as in the kitchen. This is going to be the same quartz countertops all throughout the home. Each bathroom has the same products inside. You do have a beautiful backlit mirror. So when you turn the light off, it makes a nice ambiance. We do have the same flooring all throughout. And then we have a hall closet for extra storage. One unique thing about this home is that all 3 bedrooms have a bathroom attached to it. So they are all 3 masters. So this one, we've got a queen size bed in here. You could get a larger bed in here if you wanted to. Beautiful cozy carpet. Let's say nice sliding glass mirror on the closet. Built-in closet space in here. Slides really nice. Beautiful mountain furniture. Nice large windows. And then coming into the first master bathroom, same quartz countertop, same backlit mirror. Beautiful tile. And that same tile is going to be the tile for the bathtub as well. The cast iron bathtub. So here in the mountains, we have heating but no air conditioning. So this is going to be a Nest thermostat where you can adjust the temperature here or remotely on your phone. And then coming down the hallway, we do have our laundry room. Check out these beautiful doors with the knots that are still in them and filled. We do have the same countertops. Same tile as in the bathroom, and this is a dual washer and dryer, so it does one load at a time. And then you've also got great storage up above. Across the hall we have storage, lots of storage. So in here, these are built in. They are customizable. You can change the size of them, as well as part of the security system is in this closet. Coming along between the last 2 masters, we have a nice, beautiful cabinetry, giving you more storage for blankets, photos. Use it as like an office area if you need, or just more storage for sheets and towels. Coming into master number 2, we do have carpet in here, so the same cozy carpet as in the first bathroom. We also have the auto lighting in the bathroom, so when we step in, the light goes on. Same countertops, and then the same bathtub. Frosted glass, cast iron tub, tile, wood tile in the shower. We've got the bedroom. So here we have a queen size bed. You could have larger just because we've got storage in here. We do have great lighting from the outside where you almost don't need the light on, but we have a beautiful Hunter fan up here with candle lighting. And then we also have the mirrored doors on the closet as well, makes the room appear much larger. And going across the hall is my favorite room, the master. This is the master bedroom. So this one, we've got a king size bed. We've also got a walk-in closet, fireplace, and the bathroom over here. Do have a wall mounted TV. Let me take you into the wood barn doors that open into the walk-in closet with, again, built-in storage. We have the mountain log furniture that everybody's looking for. And we have dual pane windows, very easy to slide open. This does have a locking system in the windows where you push the button to open it, and then you push it again, then you push it again to lock it. So if I tried to open this right now, it wouldn't go past there. We have central heating all throughout the home, vents in every room. And then we've also got an electric fireplace. So this is the third fireplace in the home, in the master, and it works by just a flip of a switch. So here in a second, you will see that fire come on. Beautiful stacked stone, just like we saw on fireplace number 1, and a wood mantle in the master. And then coming into the master bathroom, very white, very bright, very beautiful. We have a freestanding hydro system soaking tub with frosted glass for privacy. We've also got a walk-in shower on this one with the same tile that was used in the other bathrooms, but yet we have a hexagon pattern tile on the floor, which complements the countertops that we've been seeing all throughout the home. And you could also put a rainfall shower in here if you wanted to. So here we have his and her sinks, dual sinks, and then we've got storage, extra storage. But if you'd notice, it's the same cabinetry all throughout the home. It chose a beautiful wood look and kept those knotty pines in it. And then here we've got the privacy area for the toilet. So you've got a door, but probably 8-foot ceilings in here in this beautiful bathroom. So come with me to the backyard. This is one of my favorite spaces just because if you are up in the mountains, you are going to want to be outdoors most of your time. So here we have dual sliding glass doors coming out to our covered patio, vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, and a beautiful modern fan. The decks have all been restained. Here we have a nice gas built-in fireplace with plenty of seating for everybody that's coming up to visit you in the mountains. So walking around back here, we also have security systems pointed in all directions. We've also got a roof from 2023. We do have gutters on here, which is a rare find in Big Bear. We do have it fenced right here. This is not the property line. This is just for dogs and kids to be able to stay on this side of it. Out here is going to be also the land that goes with the property. So here you could build another ADU. You could build a garage out here. You could build an RV garage, just endless opportunities. So out here we also have a RV parked right here, just so that when people come up to visit, they could stay in it. Back to the rear of the lot, we have a tough shed on a foundation. Behind it, we've got an empty lot where you've got just tons of trees. So it's beautiful just because it's more land, but you don't have to maintain it because you don't own it. The land, our parcel goes all the way back to the fence line. We also have a sprinkler system. This is a gas fireplace. And these are the only things that are legal in Big Bear. You cannot burn full wood in the mountains. Here we have a 6-person spa with a very easy to use spa cover. Just 1 and 2. And then outside, we've also got 10 solar panels up on the roof.